What are we gonna do today, April? Am I gonna make you a special Valentine? February is here somehow. We're still going. And I have some old pillowcases with little hearts on them. I'm gonna cut these out, stuff them with some stuffing we had, and make April some new little Valentine toys. Because each month I have kind of a little category for what toys she has, and I need to get out the February toys, but she doesn't have that many February toys, so I found these old pillowcases and thought it would be really cute to make some little hearts with them, and I think she'll really like them. Oh, here. Oh, we found them! Okay, so this was gifted to April by a little old lady that saw me outside with April, and she went back to her house and came out and brought me this little frog. The frog says "kiss me," and it was a dog toy for her dog, so the eyes were already like chewed on, and April has also liked chewing on this little frog, and it used to make a little noise. It's got a noise box in here, and she likes chewing on that too. But yeah, I keep an eye out, since this isn't like a real dog toy, I keep an eye out to make sure no pieces come off and make sure it's safe. And then my grandmother made this little heart pillow when I was young, and so this was like one of my like little doll's pillows, and so I got this cute little heart pillow and cute little blanket out for April, and then this cute little light up ball. I'm getting that out for Valentine's, even though it just can come out whenever. And then she's got this cute little rope toy that her grandmother made. Yeah. So, see, as you can see, hi. Are you so happy you got some new toys out? Yeah. As you can see, she does not have very many. So, I'm pretty sure that's all we've got in the department of Valentine's in February. So, we really do need some new Valentine toys, don't we, April? Okay, that's all we're gonna get out for now. Yeah, I know. Okay, I'll get to making you some new ones, okay, baby? That's a good girl. I love you. You're my little Valentine. April. What is that, April? Oh, do you like it? I made it for you. Here it is. I mean, it was made with love. It looks a little ratchet. Whenever I would tie some of these strings, the little bits would just fall out. I guess I cut them too far down or something, but oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, baby. Look at this, April. Look at this. You want it? You want it? Oh, there you go. Get it. What do you think, young lady? What do you think? Get it, baby. Get it. Get it. I had a feeling she would like those little tie things, so that's why I went the option of where you tie it instead of sew it. But if I ripped some of them off when I was tying them, I have a feeling she will rip some of them off herself. Ah! Hey! Hey! So, I'll need to keep an eye on this toy, and we'll see how long it lasts. What do you think, April? Here it is. Here it is. You little weirdo that likes to lick mommy's feet. I know, you love it. It tickles so bad. That's a good girl. Well, there's plenty more fabric, so maybe we'll make another attempt or make something else. We'll see. But there's plenty left, so I'll probably be brainstorming on what else I can make, what other shapes or something. If you have any ideas of what shape I should do, might be a little easier than a heart, hopefully. Let me know in the comments below.
I love you. You're my little Valentine.